video, we're going to explain how to share access or permission to your YouTube channel so that someone else is able to manage it for you. So let's get straight to it. First of all, we go to profile picture at the top right. We click there, then we go to YouTube Studio. When we are inside the YouTube Studio, we go bottom left where it says settings. Then we simply click in permissions. Then we go like top right where it says invite. In invite, we simply paste the email that we want to share access to or type it. And in access, you select the type of access that you want to share. Let's say that in this example, you are a client that just started to work with us and are within like that onboarding process. The idea is that you can give us access as manager so that we are able to fully manage the channel for you, make sure that we are able to reply to the comments, upload the videos, do the SEO, delete some of the videos if you approve it, all of that stuff. So after you have already set like the type of access that you want to share, you simply click done, then you click save, and it will probably ask you to verify it is your account. It is just like an extra security step or security layer from YouTube. You simply click proceed, and here you can see that after you confirm, settings are safe. So the person probably already received the invite. They on their end have to approve the invite, and that's it. You have successfully shared permissions. So that's pretty much the process. I hope this video was valuable to you, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.